Want to look 10, 20, even 30 years younger? Naturally, with this banana trick, you'll start seeing glowing, firm, wrinkle-free skin, even at 80. And guess what? It's 100% natural and made with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. No chemicals, no expensive creams, just results. Today, I'm sharing 2 super effective banana peel-based DIYs that work like magic for wrinkles, dull skin, and sagging. So stay with me till the end because the transformation is real. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into our first amazing recipe, do me a huge favor. If you love these skincare secrets, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me and help me bring you even more fantastic content. Let's begin with the first glow-reviving recipe. Take 1 ripe banana peel, peel it up and cut it into small pieces. Why banana peel? It's rich in antioxidants, potassium and lutein, which boost collagen and improve elasticity, making your skin firmer and younger. Our next secret weapon is rice. We'll need 3 to 4 tablespoons of raw rice. Why rice? Rice is a K-beauty secret packed with ferulic acid and allantoin, known for its anti-aging, skin brightening and tightening effects. This tiny grain is a powerhouse for skin. It's also rich in amino acids and vitamins that promote cell regeneration, giving you that coveted youthful glow. Plus, it's known to tighten pores and absorb excess oil. Always give your rice a good rinse to remove any impurities or excess starch. Now let's combine our magic ingredients. Add your washed rice and the banana peel slices into a clean pan. Then add a cup of water. We're going to boil this mixture until the rice is super soft and the banana peel is tender. This process extracts all those wonderful nutrients. Once it comes to a boil, let it simmer until everything is tender. Then, turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the ingredients. Carefully transfer your cooled banana peel and rice mixture into a grinder. We want to blend this until it forms a super smooth, lump-free paste. The smoother, the better for absorption. Look at that creamy texture. This is our powerful base. Transfer this amazing paste into a clean bowl. And now we're going to amplify its anti-aging power even further. Add 1 spoon of coffee powder. Why coffee? It improves blood circulation and reduces puffiness, giving an instant lifted look. Coffee isn't just for waking you up. Topically, it's a fantastic exfoliant, gently sloughing off dead skin cells to reveal brighter skin. It's also rich in antioxidants that protect against environmental damage and can tighten the skin reducing puffiness. Next up, the golden elixir, honey. Add about 1 spoon of pure honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into your skin, keeping it incredibly hydrated and plump. It's also antibacterial and has amazing healing properties, soothing irritation and promoting a clear complexion. Honey deeply hydrates and heals your skin, giving it that youthful glow. For an extra boost of nourishment, we're adding 1 spoon of olive oil. Olive oil is packed with vitamin E and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect against premature aging. It's also deeply moisturizing, helping to maintain skin elasticity and smoothness. Olive oil is packed with anti-aging antioxidants and helps smooth out fine lines. And finally, for that extra glow, a few drops of vitamin E oil. You can just snip open a capsule or use liquid form. Vitamin E is a renowned antioxidant that helps repair damaged skin cells, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and offers intense moisturization. It supports skin regeneration and fades dark spots, leaving your skin plump and bright. Now mix everything together really well until you have a consistently smooth, luxurious mask. Cleanse your face thoroughly. Then generously apply this glorious mask evenly across your face, neck. You can even use it on your hands for extra anti-aging benefits. Relax and let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Store in a glass jar. Refrigerate up to 5 days. Result? Use 3x a week and you'll notice a visible lift, glow and smoother skin in just 7 to 10 days. Fine lines will appear diminished and your skin will look visibly younger, hydrated and radiant. This is your secret to defying age. Now let's create our second anti-aging powerhouse recipe, perfect for deep wrinkles and sagging skin. We'll start with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of our pre-made banana peel and rice paste in a fresh bowl. To this, we're adding 1 generous spoon of pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a skin superhero. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, powerful antioxidants that fight aging. It's also incredibly soothing, hydrating, and promotes skin healing, making it perfect for sensitive or mature skin. Hydrates skin deeply, calms inflammation, and boosts collagen production. Next, for an amazing tightening and plumping effect, add 1 spoon of flaxseed powder. Flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy, supple skin. They also contain lignans, which are powerful antioxidants, and their mucilage creates a natural gel that helps tighten and lift the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Rich in omega-3 and lignans, it tightens the skin and reduces fine lines like magic. And again, for that added boost of repair and rejuvenation, a few drops of vitamin E oil. It's crucial for healing and protecting your skin cells. Again, for its skin repairing and wrinkle fading powers. Mix everything really well until you have a smooth, spreadable consistency. Apply this evenly to your clean face, neck, and any other areas you want to rejuvenate. Let it work its magic for 20-25 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Store this in refrigerator. Use within 5 to 6 days. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. This recipe is particularly effective for tightening, firming, and providing a powerful antioxidant boost, helping to diminish fine lines and give you a remarkably youthful complexion. Results: firm skin, smoothens texture, fades dark patches, and gives a natural youthful glow. So there you have it, your very own $1 million anti-aging solution, all thanks to the humble banana and a few other incredible natural ingredients. This isn't just about looking younger, it's about feeling confident, radiant, and nurturing your skin with the best nature has to offer. Remember, consistency is key. If you're ready to embrace a younger looking you, I told you friends, these banana tricks are game changers. Why waste money on expensive serums when nature gives us everything we need? If you try this, come back and share your glow up story in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a natural beauty secret from me. Stay beautiful, stay confident. See you in the next video.